गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका आज की इस नई वीडियो में. सो फॉर द लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स फॉर द लास्ट वीक आई वाजंट posting anything. It was because of this injury. So after taking advice from the physio, she has suggested that you have a mild tear in your ligament, and it's gonna be good if you skip the gym totally. But I thought after training with Gaurav for the past month, I guess I have seen a lot of progress, and I don't want it to go into waste. So I'll be training mostly legs, abs, and cardio during this, I can say, healing journey. So today we are going to train legs. After right now, I'm taking an apple cider vinegar. After that, I'll be taking a small meal and I'll head back to the gym. And how this injury occurred, everything I will share it to you in the gym only. So talking about injury, it happened because if you have watched the last vlog, it was the chest day. So while doing incline bench, I did like 35 kgs ke 4 sets. Then after that, back deck twice ke 4 sets, going up till 80 kg. Then bench. This was the breaking point when I did 80 kg ke bench press for 2 sets. There I felt something wrong in my shoulders, but I didn't stop there. I did like plies, cable plies, incline plies, and that was the breaking point for this. I'm now thinking that I should have gone a little bit easier or lighter on the weights. That could have helped me and avoiding this injury totally. But that's okay. Everything happens for a reason. Now, coming to today's workout, today's leg session would be primarily focused on quads. So we'll be training quads for mainly in today's session. I'll keep you engaged with the workout today. So the main reason I am using this Smith machine instead of using the free barbell squats is because it is not gonna put a lot of pressure on my shoulders or traps. That is the reason. And I'll be doing like 4 sets of this, going up till 100 kg if you count the barbell weight, which is negligible as of now in this situation. That's it. Out of all these exercises now, leg extension is the only one जिसमें I feel like I should skip leg days because from the suggestion of Gaurav, I have started draining it out. Whenever I am doing quads exercises, quads focused leg workout, I am making sure that I drain the entire quads. And for this, he has suggested कि drop sets लेना चाहिए, which have worked out very well for me. And this is the only reason. This is the only place, this leg extension machine, where I question my decisions of doing leg days. So usually leg days skip करना लोगों के लिए बहुत easy होता है, and many people in my gym as well skip this, but I genuinely wait for leg days because this is the only muscle in my body which is the huge, which is like has the most muscle mass, which is more defined than any other body part comparing to my upper body. Leg is the strongest, leg is the leanest, leg is the supreme of all. So I generally wait for it, and भाई मुझे मज़ा आता है to push boundaries in legs. Usually during the past time ना I used to cycle a lot. So due to which मेरे legs काफ़ी ज़्यादा grow हो गए थे. In the initial time I used to get compliment on my like leg definition, leg size and volume. So I genuinely enjoy this, and I cannot say anything. I will show you once I get ripped now. I'm 100% sure that the only body part which is gonna make me famous is my legs. So with this, I'm done with the leg workout, and even though I was alone, I didn't let myself slip on and give reasons to not push myself enough. So overall, it was a perfect workout. And now I'll be doing a 30 or 45 minutes cardio session, and I'll call it a day. So after coming from gym, एक business call आ गया था. So I have came to that place, and there's a good news that I have closed a new client. It's basically gym. I have to handle their socials. That's great. It's great news. So after coming from that meeting, I wanted to study for a bit, but I remember today is Monday, and I go to like Shiv Mandir every day for mental peace. And as today is Monday, so if I don't reach there early, the mandir opens at 4:30. If I don't reach there early, so it's gonna be a lot crowded. So I'll go there first, and after coming from there, I'll do all this studying and things.
अपने आप हो गया रहेगा।
आपको ये सब समझना चाहिए।
मुंह से अपन बढ़िया निकाल लो, फोन ना तो ना पता
वापस से तो अभी एक पॉलिटिशियन आया था हमारे सोसाइटी में, बिकॉज अभी पॉलिटिक्स का सीजन चल रहा है। काफ़ी बड़ा
फोन ना टिल्डे फोन टू
वो दिखा दिया। सो काफ़ी पॉलिटिक्स की बातें हुई, अच्छी अच्छी पॉइंट्स रखे जो भी पार्टी से। अभी तो ये पहली पार्टी आई है, आई गेस और भी पार्टीज आएंगी। विद दिस पॉलिटिकल ड्रामा, I'm putting an end to this video. Thank you guys for watching.